Hello, today we are going to solve one question from IIT JAM Biotechnology 2019. As we know that JAM is one of the most important examination in India for those students who want to join IITs to pursue their master degree courses. So this is the question number 25 from section A. That means this is a MCQ type question. Hence, among these four given options, only one is correct. Then which one of the following remains unchanged when light waves enter water from air? Whether it is wavelength or wave number or frequency or intensity. As we know that when passing the light, basically passing photons from one medium to another. Hence, when light passes from one medium to another, the number of photons passing remain constant. Just that the wavelength changes as long as the number of photons are constant and the frequency can't change. The change of direction, the change of direction of light as it passes from one medium to another is associated with a change in velocity and wavelength. Velocity and wavelength. The energy of the light is unchanged. Light is unchanged as it passes from one medium to another. When visible light in air enters a medium such as glass, the velocity of light decreases to 75% of its velocity in the air. And in other materials, the decrease can be even more substantial. For example, in linseed oil, the velocity decreases to 66% of its velocity in air. Okay, therefore the right answer of this question is option C, that is frequency. So we have successfully answered this question, and that's all for today. Thank you very much.